Enushu from one of the most popular Ethiopian restaurants in Melbourne, the Horn African Cafe, is here today. Enushu, how long has your restaurant been running?
It's been running 17 years.
17 years. That's an incredible amount of time. What's your secret?
Patience.
Patience, I see. What, patience with the family that's also running it with you?
Cooking, you need a little bit of patience.
Patience. And everything's done from scratch at your restaurant.
Yeah.
Everything from the pastes,
Yeah.
all the curries.
Yeah, we chop. My kids, they're very good at it. They help. They grown up peeling garlic, you see.
That's right. Start them young on the garlic, which is not the fun job at all.
No.
My heart warms when I hear these stories of family-run businesses where the whole family's still together and they're cooking beautiful food for us. And Enushu, you're going to be cooking one of the dishes on your menu. What's this one called?
Tikel Gomen.
And I can see there's lots of cabbage and carrots. Is it like a stew?
Isn't it a stew with a bit of liquid in it?
Yep.
This one doesn't have much liquid.
So it's a bit of a dry kind of fry.
Yeah.
Until the carrots are tender.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about Ethiopian food.
We eat a lot of veggies, let's say.
Lots of vegetables.
Yeah,
Yep.
vegetables, because the people, they fasting. So they eat only twice a week meat. The rest of the day they eat veg.
And the food is quite interesting. It's not plain. In fact, it's far from plain because there's lots of really interesting spices, lots of ginger is used and garlic. Do you want me to start heating up some oil for you?
Yes, please.
Okay, so in a big pan.
Unlike, you see, in Ethiopia, everybody has got their own book in their head. So
Yes.
this is heat up the pan and oil and then chop the onion like this. You know, I don't know, what do you call it? We call it shrimiri. What do you call it?
Finely sliced.
That's it.
So that's hot. Do I add the onions now?
Come on, put this one.
Okay, in they go. No
Yep,
mucking
onion.
around.
Beautiful, nice sound.
And do you want some colour on these onions?
A little bit.
A little bit of colour.
Just like we want the soft, when they get a little bit of a soft, let it to sweat nicely.
All right.
Now we're gonna crush the coriander.
Fantastic.
We put coriander here.
Yeah. Have you
This is-
toasted those?
Yes. If you roast it,
Yep.
you get good flavor. You know?
And I always find when I use coriander seeds,
Yeah.
there's something about freshly toasting it, it smells nutty, lemony, almost balmy.
Yeah. It's better to do it this way
Yeah.
instead of use the powder from bag.
Exactly, exactly. I've got some good colour on this, Enushu. Do you want me to add...
Add garlic and ginger.
Yep.
Beautiful.
So lots of ginger, fresh ginger,
Yeah.
fresh garlic. Fresh is best. That's why you taught your kids young to peel all the garlic, right?
Yep.
And it smells so good.
Justin, can you please put this coriander
In it
and
goes.
then black pepper and turmeric.
Okay, so use that really finely ground black
Yeah.
pepper for this. Yeah.
Good pinch.
More?
More.
More? More?
Beautiful.
That's enough, okay.
And all of this one.
A whole lot of turmeric.
Please,
Okay.
yeah.
Fantastic. We'll toast that off.
Yep. The carrots first.
Okay, and go with the carrots. So we just cut them into battens.
Beautiful. Now you can drip a little water to have a little sweat the carrot.
Okay.
That's it. Beautiful. Now put the lid on or cook it for 5 minutes with the lid.
Okay.
When it gets a bit softer, you can add your cabbage.
Smells good in here.
Let's
Smells like
check
your
it.
restaurant.
Yeah. Let's check.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so you
That's
can
good.
see...
It's nice and soft.
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
soft. It's also dry, so it's not supposed to be stew-like.
Yeah,
at
non-liquidy,
all.
no.
Yeah, very nice. I'll turn the heat off.
Yeah.
And what have we got over here?
We got injera, you see?
The famous Ethiopian flatbread.
Yep.
This is so interesting because it's made out of the smallest grain in the world called taft.
Teff.
And it's really good for you.
Very, very good.
Very healthy, which
Very
means
healthy.
you can eat more bread, right?
Yeah.
I like the
3
sound of
times
that.
a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah.
That's what we do back home. So, and then also we share.
It's communal eating.
Yeah.
Shall I add that to?
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's put.
Okay. So 1 mound for me, 1 mound for you.
We're gonna share everything.
Share everything.
Yeah,
So,
that's it. You know.
oh, that's plenty? Okay. Great.
Now,
Show me how to eat this.
you take a piece of injera like that,
Okay, it's so soft. It's just beautiful.
and then you put it on top of your sauce,
Yep.
and you pick up and eat. It's good.
Wow, it's so good.
It's a sweetener.
It's sweet, you know, the cabbage is cooked perfectly. It's still got just a slight crunch. Eneshu, thank you so much for teaching me a little bit about Ethiopian food. It is so interesting. It is so layered, and most importantly, it's delicious. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Beautiful.